In this lesson, we're going to set up retargeting audiences. I'm going to teach you step by step how to actually create these audiences in your Facebook audience dashboard, and also kind of explain to you why we actually retarget and what retargeting is. So retargeting is when you create an ad that specifically targets people that you've already targeted. So if you had someone that already visited your website and you want to retarget them with additional advertising, or on the same video or a different picture or a different video, you can go ahead and set up an audience to do so, and then you can create your ads around that audience. So I'm just gonna hop in the computer right now. We're gonna go right into my computer, and I have the audience screen open right here. If you need help getting to this screen, if you're on your ads manager, you should see this business tools setting over here, and then you'll be able to see audiences right there. So once you actually get into the audience dashboard, though, we're gonna start making some audiences. So we want to retarget audiences that, like I said, have visited our site already before, or have also engaged with our brand in some way on social media, either through Facebook or Instagram. So we're gonna get started and just create an audience based off of people who have visited our website but have not purchased from our website. That way we're not showing our video ads to people who've already purchased from our site. It's kind of almost a waste in a sense, where they've already purchased. Sometimes those people purchase again, so it's kind of one of those things you want to test on your own to see if it works good for you. But I'm gonna go ahead and start right now. We're gonna click on create audience. When I click on create audience, you're gonna want to select custom audience. And once you select custom audience, we're gonna come over here to choose our source. So we want to choose the source as our website. So we're gonna click on website. And once we click on the website, it's gonna load up this page here. So this little window is gonna pop up here, and it's gonna say add people to your audience, include people who meet blank of the following criteria. So we wanna change this blank from any to all. That way it's capturing all of the people and not any of the people. So all the people that have visited our website, so all website visitors from Home Fitness in the past 180 days. I set this up to 180 because it's the maximum Facebook allows you to actually retarget, like in the past 180 days. So I know this might seem like a lot for most people, but honestly, if they clicked on your website once, it's because they were genuinely interested, and they maybe not have purchased something right at that time, but they'll purchase something later on down the line. So we're gonna go ahead and target 180 days of all website visitors. And then we're going to click on exclude people. So when we click on exclude people, we want to change it to, instead of all website visitors, we want to change it to purchasers. So we're going to scroll down, and from our events here, we're going to choose purchase. And once we click on purchase, we're also going to edit that to be the past 180 days. So now this audience is going to target, or is going to create an audience about people who have visited the website in the past 180 days, and also excluding people who have purchased from our store in the past 180 days. So it's really cool and important to exclude people that we haven't purchased yet, or have purchased, I should say. It's good to exclude people who have purchased from the site already. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna name this audience. We'll just name it visitors 180 days, and then we'll click create audience. And once you create that audience, Facebook's now going to populate the audience, meaning it's going to actually go ahead and locate all of the people that have actually visited our website and not purchased anything, and it's going to put them all together in that audience. And within 24 hours you'll be able to see the actual size of that audience. Right now, as you see, it's on our list here, visitors 180, but it shows that it's populating below 1,000. We have more than 1,000 right now, but it's populating. So once we create that audience, you're going to want to create 2 more audiences that are engagement based audiences. So we're going to go ahead, do it one more time. We're going to click on create audience. We're going to create a custom audience, and now we're going to do things based off our Instagram and Facebook account. So we're going to click on, instead of website, we're going to click on Instagram account, and we're going to choose our Instagram account from Home Fitness from the drop down. And then we're going to also make sure we change that it includes all of the people instead of any of the people. And then everyone that's engaged with our account in the past 180 days, same thing, right? So now now this audience is targeting people who have basically engaged with our Instagram page at some point in the past 180 days. So once you have that created there, we're going to actually just name this one IG engagement. So I'll just put ENG, right? So IG engagement, these are all the people in the past 180 days. We'll add 180 to the end of that. So IG engagement 180 for the and it's going to go alongside with our other audience while we're running retargeting ads. So we're going to click on create audience, right? And that's it. And then we're going to do the same thing one more time. So we're going to go ahead, create audience here, and we're going to create a custom audience. And from creating that custom audience, we're going to go and choose Facebook page instead of Instagram account this time around. So once you click on Facebook page, we're just going to do the same exact thing. You're going to go ahead, select your company from your, select your page from your list, and then we're going to click on all, make sure it says all, and we're going to target 180 days. I recommend 180 days because after that 180 days, if they haven't really purchased after seeing your ad multiple times for more than 3 months, you know, it's probably not going to happen where they're going to purchase it. You know, that 3 to 6 month window, if they've seen your ad multiple times and they haven't pulled the trigger, it's probably best that you just move on and target people who are more likely to purchase. You're also training your pixel to kind of target these people who are not purchasing, so we just want to be aware of that. And after we've done this, that's pretty much it. We're going to do the same thing as before. So Facebook engagement 180. So anyone that engaged with our Facebook page from the last 180 days is going to be inside of this audience. So we're going to create the audience, and that's it. That's pretty much it. It's as easy as that. Now we're just going to let Facebook do its job for the next 24 hours. It's going to populate. It's going to grab all of the people that fit the parameters of, you know, the audiences that we set there. And then we can go ahead and start creating our retargeting ads, which I'm going to get to in the next lesson.